Hey YouTube, welcome back to my third airport update on CYXB. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am very sorry for the lack of uploads in a couple of weeks, and I will shortly get back to them. In today's airport update, there has been numerous changes added to the airport itself, such as the terminal section and the apron markings. And that is all. In the next update, I will assure that there will be even more numerous changes added to the airport. But let's get started to this airport update. First aircraft we have here is a Singapore Airlines Airbus A350-900. This guy here is getting pushed back from this gate, and he'll be making a flight off to Singapore Changi very shortly. And right over here we have a China Eastern Airbus A330-200 in the old livery. This guy here just landed in from Shanghai, China, and he'll be making a flight off to Beijing. And right over here we have a Thai 777-200ER. This guy here landed in from Bangkok a couple days ago, and he's just here at the remote stands. And at the cargo apron is a Cargojet 767-300ER. This is a custom model made by me, and this guy here is going to be heading out to Hamilton today. And taxiing to the runway here is a Air North 737-400. This guy here will be making a flight off to Whitehorse today. And at the second hangar here at the airport is a Air Canada 787-8. This guy here is getting some engine repairs done. And at the main hangar section here is a Air Canada Rouge Airbus A319. This guy here is just resting here at the remote stands here. And right next to him is a Air Canada 777-200LR. This guy here is resting at the remote stands as well. And tomorrow morning he'll be pushed back to its gate, and he'll be making a flight off to Sydney, Australia. And right over here is a Air Transat Airbus A321ULR, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this guy here is getting its passengers onto the aircraft, and he'll be making a flight off to Montreal today. And next to him is an Air Canada 787-9 Dreamliner. This guy here is getting its fuel loaded on and passengers, and he'll be making a flight off to Toronto Pearson YYZ today. And taxiing to the runway here is a Air Tahiti Nui 787-9 Dreamliner, and this guy will be making a flight off to Tahiti. And here is an Air Canada 737 MAX 8. This guy here is getting its passengers onto the aircraft, and he'll be making a flight off to Vancouver very shortly. And pulling into the gate here is a WestJet Encore Q400. This guy here just landed in from Kelowna, and he'll be making a flight off to Victoria. And lastly here is an Air Canada Airbus A330-300 in the Star Alliance library. This guy is taxiing to the runway, and he'll be making a flight off to Zurich. And that brings us to an end of this 1 of 400 scale airport update on CYXB. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. The next airport update, I will feature more improvements to the airport, such as the terminal I'm working on. I will hopefully get that finished by the next update, so yeah. And I also ordered a lot of new models, such as an NG Models Air Transat Airbus A330-200, and I'll do a review on that very shortly, so yeah. But anyways, this is Canadian Aviation 12 here, signing off. See ya.